Hey, dragon fruit enthusiast. You know, there's so many different ways of building trellis, but today I want to talk specifically about PVC trellis. I'm Carolyn with Blue Dragon Fruit Nursery, and I've been growing dragon fruits for over 8 years. If you think other dragon fruit parents would love to hear about how to build these, make sure you share this content with them. So I've been growing dragon fruits for many years in different type of trellis, some homemade things that nobody does, or just like, oh, this one does it this way. But I wanted to find something where most of the content would be outside of pots, and most of my dragon fruits are in pots. I have a very little in ground. So I've got different ones here. You've got different colors. You can have white, red, black, green. So I chose green. So the pipes come in 5 feet tall, and I've got here, one square down here, just a little over the pot. And you have some also that I put a middle pipe. What's super important though is the fittings. You need to buy the fittings also and make sure they're the right size. Super important. When you do put those things together, there is a little gap here, so the tube is going to go up to here, so you're going to have maybe 1.5 inches. So just measure when you build them. So think about the geometry, think about how much pipes you will need, so you measure exactly, oh, I need 5 feet once, but I've got all those squares I need to do. Calculate that, look at the fittings, then we're ready to roll. So we're going to do a demo where I got a Frankie's red full of buds that is doing the tour of Pisa. So we're gonna go and help it to get straight again. So let's go for it. Final product, there you go. So what I did also is I did it in 2 parts, and it's for sure the best is always do your trellis before you have an emergency and you need to wrestle thorns. But I basically did 2 parts, 1/2 and 1/2. There you go.